Howdy y'all, it's Kathy from RustPaperScissors, and I'm here today with my last journal for the season. It is a totally blank journal. The pages are tea-dyed. The only thing I did was put some things on the cover and on the inside, and I'll show you what I did. And it's just a blank canvas for you to just really make your own. It is a repurposed Reader's Digest book. The pages are all tea-dyed. It has this bulldog clip closure with the rusted jingle bells, this little happy holidays. It is for sale in my Etsy shop under the name Happy Holidays. And so we'll just go inside real quickly and just show you one of my favorite elements included in this journal is the little rusted farm truck with the Christmas tree. I made it into a tuck spot. And then it has one signature. It has approximately 42 pages. And I'm just going to flip through it quickly. There's really nothing here to see. It's just different pages, some with flip outs. This one's a little tuck spot. This is a vintage map, and I added the charting his course. And then I added a little truck with a little Santa in it, like he's on his way. And then the center of the signature is a envelope, and I covered one side with the sticky backed velvet and put this little tag that I had gotten on there. And then the rest of the journal is the same pages. It does come with a few extra items. But let me show you the back. This is the back of the signature. Then this is the back cover, and this is a rusted Christmas tree that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I made this into a little tuck spot. So you can see that way. It's just a tuck spot. Okay. So the journal also comes with a little extra little pad for you to journal on, and the pages could be removed and more pages could be added. And then it comes with what I call a tearaway tag booklet. It's just a series of guest checks. I love to use the guest checks as the basis for my tags. It's already got a background. It's got lines. It's easy to work with. It's the right size, and it's just fun to, use this as a tag. I thought, you could list the movies you watched this Christmas, or, your favorite recipe, or who were the guests, that type of thing. But there's a lot of things you could do with these. And then this is just a group of the offcuts from the journal, and I just included that in case you wanted to make some tags. And then lastly, it comes with what I call a rusted elements kit. It is paper clips, an alligator clip, a binder clip, another bulldog clip, some butterfly paper clips, and then some book darts. Just things I thought you could use to add your own ephemera to the journal. And then it also comes with another metal prong fastener. It comes with some D-ring fasteners and then some rusted staples. So that is it. I want to wish y'all a happy holiday season. Please go to my website, and I have some other journals there. And I have also rusted items and journal inserts, things like that. I do appreciate your time and want to wish you a happy holiday.